Have you ever noticed how words evolve over centuries, or how related languages share similar sounds but with fascinating differences? It is not just random. There is an underlying system at play. Regular sound changes operate through systematic and predictable shifts in pronunciation. These changes consistently affect specific sounds or sound environments across an entire language or dialect, establishing a clear pattern of transformation. The regularity stems from the fact that a particular sound, under specific phonetic conditions, will change in the same way every time. For example, a sound before a certain vowel might consistently transform into a different sound. These shifts are usually gradual and unconscious, occurring across generations of speakers. They can involve processes like assimilation, where one sound becomes more like an adjacent sound, or dissimilation, where sounds become less alike. Other mechanisms include deletion, where a sound disappears, or insertion, where a new sound appears. Linguists identify these changes by comparing words across different historical stages of a single language, or by comparing cognates, which are words with a common origin, across related languages. By meticulously analyzing many words, they can establish a consistent pattern, revealing the rules of sound change that have operated over time. This comparative method allows scholars to trace linguistic lineage. One of the most famous examples is Grimm's Law, named after Jacob Grimm, who documented how certain stops and fricatives in Proto-Indo-European systematically shifted in the early Germanic languages. This foundational insight helped establish linguistics as a scientific discipline capable of reconstructing ancient languages and understanding their historical relationships. It shows how what appears to be chaotic change is, in fact, an orderly process. Ultimately, understanding how regular sound changes operate provides a crucial framework for tracing the history of languages. It allows us to reconstruct ancient forms, identify genetic relationships between language families, and appreciate the predictable underlying order in the dynamic evolution of human speech.